Hi guys, so today I'm gonna teach you how to sign up for Cubelelo Speedcubing Unlocked 13.0. So you go on the Cubelelo website, and there is this thing over here, and I'll tap on that, and as you can see there is this competitions. You'll tap on that and Cubelelo Speedcubing Unlocked, and you'll go on this register section, and over here I'll type in your email, and tap next. Over here you'll write your full name, your mobile number, and if you have WCA ID, you'll tap on the first icon, and you have CL ID, you'll tap on this, and if you don't have any of this, and you can tap on none of the above. I have the CL ID, so I'll tap that. Next, and you'll type in your ID here. So, like that. Tap next. You can watch this tutorial. Yes. And now, you're signed in.